So this is one of the final dissemination events of SMARTDEST. SMARTDEST is a Horizon 2020 funded research project with 12 European partner members. And it's a project that has tackled in research the difficult relation between the growth of tourism and the transnational populations in European cities and issues of social exclusion.
Today's event was very important because we were discussing the growth and prosperity of urban towns, cities and their development, and most importantly, how the people living in those urban environments cope with tourism.
We've gone in depth in analyzing these processes at a European scale and at the scale of 8 case study cities, in which we afterwards set up some participatory laboratories to co-design solutions to the problems detected with local agents, local stakeholders and concerned communities.
Today has been a great day to share knowledge and learn a lot of things about cases in all Europe for the SMARTDEST project. Venice has a lot of challenge. To me, address these things together and discuss about these things has been also a challenge, but I think there's a good future ahead of us.
So we are now in the stage in which we have collected a large amount of research results and insights, and we are transferring these findings to our target communities who are scientists like us. We are tackling, of course, the policy community, both at European level and at local level, to make sure that they capitalize on what we have done and they understand what they have done and are able to reframe urban policies to take into account the disruptive power of tourist mobilities.
We've seen a lot of inspiring cases talking about the inclusion of local communities into urban areas, the exact area that I am working on.
And this specific event we are having today is looking at the audience community of innovators. So we are hoping that the solutions that have been co-designed, the data that have fed our analysis will inspire companies, social innovators, technological companies, even students to come up with some great idea of new services, new policy approaches, new products that have a market perspective but are also able to mitigate the problems suffered by tourism in cities.